Hello and welcome everyone. The purpose of this video is to explain word formation in English to anyone who doesn't understand the formation of words. Now, have you ever wondered why students find it difficult to identify and understand words in English? This is because they may have used the wrong word formation. Our English will be grammatically correct if we use the correct form of words. Word formation refers to the process by which new words are created or existing words are modified to expand a language vocabulary. It involves various techniques like adding prefixes or suffixes, combining words, or changing a word's part of speech. Understanding word formation is essential for expanding vocabulary and improving grammatical accuracy in any language. The key process of word formation includes affixation, compounding, and conversion. We will start by looking at affixation. Affixation is the adding of prefixes at the beginning of a words or suffixes at the end to create new words. Example, unhappy and quickly. Compounding words are combining two or more words to create a new word with a different meaning. Example, sunflower and airborne. Conversion. Conversion changes a word's part of speech without adding any affixes. Example, email becoming to email and Google becoming to Google. Email is a noun. Becoming to email makes the part of speech becomes a verb. And Google is a noun. Becoming to Google makes the part of speech becomes a verb. Other methods also include clipping, blending, acronyms and abbreviations, and back formation. Clipping is the shortening of a word. Example, advertisement to ad. Blending is the combining parts of two words. Example, smog from smoke and frog. The word smog is created from the word smoke and frog. Acronyms and abbreviation is the forming of words from the initial letters of other words. Example, ICT from Information and Computing Technology. I stands for information, C stands for computing, and T stands for technology. Back formation is the creating of a new word by removing a supposed affix from an existing word. Example, editor to edit. Examples of word formation. There are many examples of word formation, but we will be looking at only two. So the examples are height and length. Height is a noun. When we are trying to change it to verb, it becomes heighten. From verbs to adjectives, it is high. And from adjectives to adverbs, it is highly. Length is a noun. From nouns to verb, it becomes lengthen. Verbs to adjectives is long, and adjective to adverbs, it becomes lonely. In the scientific study of word formation is an ambiguous term that can refer to either the process through which words can change or the creation of new words in a particular language.
3.
Continuing from where my friend had left. How are words formed? New words in English often come from blending two existing words, like expectation, adding prefixes or suffixes to root words. It creates new terms like subprime and awesomeness. Clipping shortens existing words into new forms, like blog from weblog and flu from influencer. Now we'll be looking at two main types of word formation. The first one is word deviation and word composition. Word deviation and composition are considered to be two major types of word formation. The minor types of word formation comprises shortening, blending, acronymy, sound imitation, sound interchange, block formation, distinctive stress. How to learn word formation. Here is one way to easily know which suffixes has to be added to form a particular word class. Most often nouns end in er, or, ist, ian, ion, ment, and ity. Verbs end in ise, at, and en. Adjectives end in able, ible, ive, ic, and al. And adverbs normally end in ly. Word formation and examples. Some examples of word formation using prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes after meaning, misconception, misunderstand, inactive, disappearance, inattentive, rewrite, relation, and discourage. Suffixes often change word class. For example, agreement, kindness, awesomeness, breakable, quickly, worker, formation, NCT, and explanation. Thank you everyone for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye.